Discover Your Nation, a poem for the 51st Oman National Day, by me, Fahim Furfure. Ya Sha'ab al-Omani, how blessed you are. Stand up proud, say Alhamdulillah. Turn off the TV, put down your phone. Go and explore the place you call home. The most spectacular mountains anywhere on earth, you'll find them right here in the land of your birth. Trek, climb, get out of your bubble. Hiking, off-roading, jabal to jabal. A coastline that fills the heart with emotion. Have you ever put more than your toe in the ocean? Push out your boats, hoist up your sails. Go looking for dolphins, turtles and whales. Swimming, snorkeling, diving, fishing. Stop saying I'll do it. Time to stop wishing. The Wahiba Desert is a wonderful place, so vast and majestic you can see it from space. Go drive those dunes in a convoy of cars. Light a campfire, sleep under the stars. Palaces, mosques, castles and gates. Spectacular wadis with forests of dates. Secret caves brimming with mystery. And then there is your wonderful history. Go to the museum, it's not just for 8th graders. Learn how you fought off all those invaders. Start your own investigation. Search and travel. Discover your nation.